Hello, I'm going to tie a Marabou soft hackle now. I call this the May-Cad. So we have a TMCO 206BL number 14 hook in the vise. And this is 6/0 Danville rusty brown thread. I'm going to start with a Grizzly Marabou feather here. Light brown. I'm going to take the stem out first. And then I'm going to choose how much hackle I want to have on the fly. Basically, when the fly is finished, the hackle is going to be back over it like this. So you want to choose, the right amount to begin with here, because it's the first part we're going to tie. So I'm going to choose how far I want the hackle to extend on the finished fly. Tie it in, and I spin it around, distribute it evenly around the fly. So you want to test it and make sure it's going to look the right length before you finish the rest of the fly now. So that's going to be about right. I'm going to rotate the hook in the vise here. We're going to take some Mallard Wooduck flank here. And I'm going to choose some fibers for the tail first. Okay, now we're going to take some ultra wire, amber color brassy size, UTC ultra wire. The better you make the underbody, that is, the smoother and uniformly you make it, the better your wire will appear on the finished fly. You just want to make these wraps as close as possible to each other. When I get up towards the middle of this, I take hackle pliers. Okay, now I'm going to take some Orvis Hare's ice dubbing here. It can be important to wax the thread with this dubbing, as it will adhere much better. Alright, now we're going to take 2 more mallard flank fibers. And we want them to be the same length. And these are going to go back over, sweep back over the back like this. The way you do that is you tie it on the side of the hook nearest you. So you hold them in position. Make a couple wraps to keep them in position. So they're separated there like that. I'm going to take just a little bit more dubbing. But I want to leave space between the dubbing and the hackle collar so it'll stay swept back. So as you can see, there's a little bit of room there. We'll take a bodkin with a half-hitch tool. We're going to push all these fibers back, but we want them to be evenly distributed around the hook. So I have a 3-finger pinch wrap here. I'm going to jump in front with the thread. And I'm going to start building up a thread dam. Working back into the fibers here. Now the cool thing is you can make your hackle stand up more or be more swept back by taking off thread or leaving it on. For the last thing, I'm going to do 2 more wood duck flank fibers. I'm going to tie them in like antenna on the front. And there we have our finished May-Cad Soft-Hackled nymph. Thanks for watching, everybody.